Nafs, the self that wants. The Arabic root is nafasa. From it comes the word nafas, meaning breath, and nafs, meaning self. Etymologically, the nafs is what is most intimately yours, what breathes inside you. When you say, I want, I don't want, I deserve, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm offended, it is the nafs speaking. The simplest way to recognize the nafs in your daily life is this. The nafs is the part of you that has first-person sentences. The part that says, I would like to eat this, I would like to sleep more, I would like to be praised, I would like to be left alone. Every one of these small first-person sentences, that is the nafs speaking. Right now, as you're listening to me, your nafs is also speaking inside you. It might be saying, this is interesting, or this is going on too long, or I would like a cup of tea before she gets to the next section. That is the nafs. It is constant. It does not stop. The work is not to make it stop. The work is to hear it, recognize it, and respond to it from a deeper part of you. Two clarifications about this. First, the word nafs is sometimes used in the Quran for the whole human being and sometimes for one specific component. Tonight, we're using it in the narrower sense, the component that wants. The second clarification is more important. The nafs is not evil. It is not the same as the Western idea of a lower self. And it is absolutely not the same as Freud's id. In the Freudian model, the id is an animal, like pure drive, pure appetite, requiring not to be listened, and then there's repression, there's a lot of funky things going on. The nafs in our tradition is not an animal. It is a part of the human being that needs to be trained, like a muscle that needs to be developed, like a horse that needs to be broken in and ridden, not killed. The nafs is yours, you cannot get rid of it, and you should not want to. But if it is untrained, it commands you towards what is harmful. If it's trained, it becomes one of the most precious resources you can carry through this life. So, nafs, the part of you that wants, constant, trainable, yours, not evil.